Hi, I am Pramod, a certified digital coach and consultant, along with years of experience as a soft skill trainer. I am on a mission to empower people with digital skills. Contact me for digital marketing training and digital course creation. Welcome to Lesson 3, Social Media Fundamentals. So what is social media? Social media platforms help you to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. Why social media is so important? Because now the maximum population is on the social media platforms. Social media platforms are the right media to target the right audience. Now, if you take example of newspaper or television or any other mode, the youths are not more there. The youths are more on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. There are hundreds of social media platforms available today in the market. So what we need to do is we need to focus on 2 or 3 platforms which gives result to our business. Again, it depends on the what product you are selling and who is your audience and what is your brand. So based on this, you have to choose a right platform. Let us see what are the platforms available on social media. Some popular social media platforms are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. I have taken just few popular social media platforms here. As I said already, there are hundreds of platforms available today in the market. But again I am saying the platform, social media platform is dependent purely on your product and on your audience and what you want to sell on the social media platform. First, why Facebook? Very simple reason. 1 billion daily active users are there on the Facebook. The second reason is Facebook is very popular. Then larger demographics. What do I mean by larger demographics? Let's assume I am living in Bangalore, right? So I want to target the people across India or across the world. So that is possible through Facebook. Then users spend more time on Facebook. Then highly targeted ads. So what do I mean by highly targeted ads? As I said already, if I want to target, say, the people between the age group of 18 to 24, it is possible. If I want to target people between the age group of say 20 to 40, it is possible. If I want to target people between the age group of say 35 to 50, it is possible. At the same time, I can target people based on their behavior, based on their interest, and based on their recent acquisition. I mean, suppose if the person has recently married, I can focus only on those type of people to sell a particular product. If I am into beauty industry, cosmetics industry, so I can target only females because that is the product which I am selling. So you can target, highly you can target. So this is possible in Facebook. Of course it is possible in other platforms also, but compared to any other platforms, Facebook is the powerful platform, I would say. Then Instagram. Why Instagram? 500 million daily active users. Instagram is very user friendly and it is new gen marketplace. I mean, if you are targeting youths, if your product is for the people between the age group of say around 14-15 to 30, then Instagram is the right place. Whether you want to target a female or you want to target male, especially the young generation, the Instagram is the best platform. Then Instagram from boring to beautiful. Then young adults love Instagram. Young adults love Instagram. So you can sell your product through Instagram. You can conduct live webinars, live video sessions, live polls through Instagram. You can promote your product through Instagram. There are hundreds of Instagram influencers today who are making millions of rupees through Instagram as an Instagram influencer. The third is YouTube. Why YouTube? YouTube is the second most visited site. Like after Google, YouTube is the most searched platform, I would say, or website, I would say. YouTube is very user friendly and boost search engine rankings and reach global audience and generate high traffic volumes. Suppose if you are very new into the social media industry or social media marketing and you are some teacher or coach or a business owner and you want to increase your sales or increase the visitors to your website or you want to build your brand, then YouTube is the best platform, I would say. You can create wonderful videos using very simple tools available in the market and those videos can be uploaded to YouTube. So YouTube basically there are two kinds of audience. One, they use YouTube for entertainment purpose. The second category of people, they use YouTube for information purpose. So the content what you create serves the people who use YouTube for learning purpose. So you can create n number of content and upload to YouTube. So it is absolutely free, and creating a channel on YouTube is also very simple and user friendly. If you want to know how to create a channel and how to create your thumbnails and how to upload videos, for all those technicalities you can contact me. I will teach you the fundamentals or the foundations of YouTube in a solid manner. Then other social media platform is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is for whom? LinkedIn is for highly sophisticated people. That means if you are in a strong network, if you are a professional, then you can target LinkedIn, and B2B. B2B business works well, that is business to business works well on LinkedIn rather than Facebook and Instagram. So LinkedIn help with networking and many recruiters use LinkedIn. You can build your personal brand here also. News and business posts can be inspirational and LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very popular between the people of age group say around 30-35 to more than that, I would say, but not for the young crowd. For the young crowd, I would say Facebook and Instagram. Let us see what is there next. So that's it in this lesson. LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Some popular social media platforms are these. So you can follow me on my Facebook page, that is Pramod the Coach, and on my Instagram Pramod the Coach. And visit my website, that is www.pramodthecoach.in. Thank you. That's end of lesson 3. I hope you enjoyed the learning. See you in the next lesson.